Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to count numbers or text. So we are going to cover two formulas, count and counta. So first I will show you count formula. So I press equal to, I type count, I open the bracket, I select the range, close the bracket and then enter. Now you can see in cell C12 there is 0 which I delete, so the count becomes 5. I again put 0, the count becomes 6, because 0 is also considered as character or a number, that is why it is counting 0 also. Now in another column I show you how the counta formula works. Counta also we can call it as equal to COUNTA, counta. I first select the range up to 85. As you can see, it shows 4 in the blank cells. If I put 0, the counting increases, the number of count increases. Now I take my cursor, I hover over the corner of the selected range, I drag it up and then press enter. Now you can see the count has become 6. I put, let's say, 0, the count becomes 7. I remove 0, it is 6. I remove this 0 also, it becomes 5, let's say. So as you can see, the count has become 5. I again drag it down, the count becomes 4. Now if I do similar thing with this count formula, it won't count the text. Now you can see that the count is 6, there is 0 also in this range. I drag it up and then press enter, it still shows 6. Why? Because this is the main difference between count and counta formula. Count formula doesn't count text, but the counta formula calculates text also. Thank you.